Hello students, welcome to the digital classroom of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. This video is for class 6th. Subject is geography and your topic is rotation and revolution of the earth. This is the chapter 3 of class 6th, rotation and revolution of the earth. And revolution of the earth. The rotation of the earth. The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. The earth rotates on its imaginary axis from west to east. It completes one rotation in 24 hours. Means the rotation of the earth is moving from west to east and it completes one rotation in 24 hours. Means when we experience day and night, that is because of the rotation of the earth. Now what are the effects of the rotation of the earth? Rotation of the earth on its axis causes day and night. So first of all, the rotation of the earth on its axis causes day and night. Rotation leads to the building of the earth at the middle equator and flattering at the top and bottom on the north pole and the south pole. And because of this rotation of the earth, the earth has been built. Rotation of the earth has led to the bulging of the earth from the middle at the equator, and it flattens the earth from the poles at the north pole and the south pole. The deflection from the straight path of winds and ocean currents, occurrence of tides on a regular basis. It provides us the concept of direction on the basis of sunrise and sunset, and with the help of sunrise and sunset we can use the direction. It provides us a day of 24 hours. The earth rotates in an anti-clockwise direction at the north pole and at the equator. Then we have the revolution of the earth. The earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical path called orbit at an average speed of 29.8 kilometers per second. The earth completes its one revolution in a period of 365 days and 6 hours. This period of time is called 1 year. However, conveniently we count the 365 days in a year and the remaining 6 hours taken together from one day every 4 years. This extra 1 day is added to the month of February every 4th year. In this year, February has 29 days instead of 28 days. Such a year of 366 days is called a leap year. Then we have the effects of the revolution of the earth. The following effects are caused due to the revolution of the earth. Varying length of day and night is experienced. Seasonal change take place because of the revolution of the earth. So the whatever seasons we are experiencing, this is because of the changing because of the revolution of the earth. Revolution of the earth means that earth is revolving around the sun and completing one circle in a year. It took 1 year to complete one circle and it revolves around the sun, and in this 1 year we experience 4 different seasons, that is summer, winter, autumn and spring. So in this diagram you can see that the earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical order, and it is noted that the earth is inclined in the same direction throughout its orbit. So in this diagram you can see that earth is revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit, and it is inclined